Muhammad Hanzala and I am from Bhutan, student of repeater MDCAT 2022 from Top Grade Online Academy. Last year I prepared my entry test from Lahore in KIPS Academy, but unfortunately I failed my test. After that I wasted 2 or 3 months in my home, and suddenly I saw a website of Top Grade Online Academy. Uh, I see some lecture on Top Grade Online Academy. Then after seeing this lecture, I decided to get permanent admission in Top Grade Online Academy. Then I get admission from Top Grade Academy. I get their great lectures of great professors. Also, the test system of Top Grade Online Academy is very useful and helpful for our preparation in NMTCAT 2022. The very great benefit from Top Grade Online Academy is that MCQs bank of more than 30,000 is present on the website of Top Grade Online Academy. You all know that this is an era of information and technology. In this era, I think physical classes are useless. Physical classes waste your time as well as your money. In return, online classes are very awesome because they provide all the lectures in a proper way. Physical classes, in this way your time is also uh, not wasted, and you can learn in your own room. My preparation of NMDCAT from Top Grade Online Academy is much and more better than those preparation which I done in previous year from KIPS Academy in physical classes. The main aspect of Top Grade Online Academy is that the lecture uploaded on the websites of Top Grade Online Academy are full of knowledge, and they can provide you a topic from every point and every angle. You can prepare thoroughly your NMDCAT from Top Grade Online Academy. My suggestion is that you should also join online academy, Top Grade Online Academy, rather than physical classes or any other academy. You should not waste your time and your money. Thank you, Mosims.